Seguidor di 24.com nos está aquí na Houston, donde nos llega para nos cubrir lo que está el mundial, naturalmente juega di Corso ya domingo y nos está aquí na airport kuta George Bush International Airport kuta siguro di hop nang onde kutin hobby pasajero lo bay pasa pa sobre kutin vários juega aqui na Houston e nós conversar com o Airport Director James Siniak para contar-nos tiki di Kiko nang kulo pasa via di airport aqui lo prospera durante a semana aqui di Mundial.
We're starting to expect our World Cup inflows to come in, and so we've got our passenger activations now active in the terminals. Again, that's going to give them that flavor of World Cup as soon as they get off the airplane. Again, it's going to be a lot of stuff. So we've got our free foosball tables. We've got a bunch of different little small experiences, some giveaways that we're doing. We've got an AI camera that'll put you in your favorite soccer team's color scheme, and so a lot of different kind of neat things for travelers when they arrive here in Houston. June 12th through about July 6th is kind of where we're expecting as kind of our FIFA surge, and we're expecting over 4.5 million travelers to come through the airport system at that time. It's going to be busy. It's your normal summer busyness, with a little bit of extra additional international flair. We're excited because of the fact that we give the people, the ability to come in here and experience Houston right when they get off the plane. If they're coming into Houston for the game, and then that's a consistent experience when they get to downtown. Take the Metro 500 downtown, get into Fan Fest, go to the NRG. We want that seamless, very focused experience for folks. And then for people who are transferring through our airports, we've got more than 150 televisions that are going to be around. So if you're transferring through our airport, we want to give them a good experience in Houston at the airports so that they want to come back to our city and experience our city because of the fact that they had a great time at the airport.
El director de airport explica-nos que nanting dos World Cup esta dos formas para wake. Uno es nan kuta bim pa wake wega nanting estadio de Houston, pero también mirando locación de airport aquí, tin hopi pasajero de otro país entre otro México, pero también Latinoamérica, que lo pasa via de Houston, conecta y así va en otra ciudad para mirar de otro wegan. Esta conta-nos más de aquí.
So we have what's happening in Houston, which is our normal stuff that we're going to deal with the games here. But then we've got a lot of connecting traffic that's going to be flowing through our airport between the Mexican markets and North America, and then generally our Latin Americans coming up into North America. We've been working with CBP and TSA, leading up to this to make sure that we can give the traveler the normal kind of experience that we'd expect. It's still going to be normal summer busyness, but we, again, we're not changing our standards. We want people to get through the lines as quick as they normally do. And so that's, again, not something that we're, again, working with customs to be able to process people, make sure they get a good experience coming in and get through customs quickly.
Así nos tiene oportunidad pues de conversar con el Airport Director, que no solamente está opera el airport aquí de Houston, este es George Bush, pero también el Hobby Airport, que está otro aeropuerto, pues dos aeropuertos para servir área aquí de Houston, y él contanos con una asitura cambio para ser que está completamente preparada para lo que trata el mundial de las siguientes 5 semanas. For the Houston Airport, a mí Mark Benson Dance para 24.com nos está y promete noticia cubriendo Mundial FIFA World Cup 2026.